we find out it takes 3 hours for one person to clear the snow on a playground, okay? And we need to find out how long it would take in minutes for two people to clear the snow on the playground together, assuming they work at the same pace, okay? So the first thing we need to do is, because the question wants our answer in minutes, we need to convert all the times that we've been given into minutes, okay? So we've been told that it takes one person 3 hours to clear the snow off the playground, okay? And we need to convert that into minutes. So what's 3 hours in minutes? Well, the first thing we need to remember is that there are 60 minutes in an hour. 60 minutes in an hour. And therefore, 3 hours is going to equal 60, i.e. the number of minutes in 1 hour, times 3, times 3. 60 times 3 is equal to 180, and therefore 3 hours is 180 minutes. Okay, so that's the first step. We know that it takes one person 180 minutes to completely clear the playground of snow. So now what we need to do is we need to use some simple logic. So if a task takes one person a certain amount of time, two people doing the same task together will take half the amount of time, okay? Because two people doing a task will do it twice as quick, or 2 times as quick. So let's say we have, one person mowing the lawn, okay? But if we had two people mowing the same lawn, then they would only have to mow half a lawn each at the same time. And so it will take, the task will be done 2 times as quick. And therefore, they will halve the time, okay? They will halve the time. So we need to remember that if one person takes a certain amount of time to do a task, then two people working at the same rate will take half the amount of time, okay? So now what we need to do is we need to calculate that. So we know that it takes one person 180 minutes to clear the snow in the playground, but it will take two people half that. So we need to divide it by 2. So let's do that calculation. 180 divided by 2, well, 2 doesn't go into 1, so we carry the 1. How many times does 2 go into 18? Well, 18 divided by 2 is 9, and therefore 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90, okay? So it takes 90 minutes for 2 people to clear the snow off the playground, and that is our answer, 90 minutes, because it takes them half the time.